It captures the front view of the house, and it gets the back view of the house there automatically as well. To pick a couple of design options. We're going to leave a Mediterranean as is. I'm not going to do it right now. We're going to go ahead and... Okay, cool. We are going to take a house today and try to see if we can come up with a beautiful design for it. So I'm just going to go on a rift and then pick a random house, somewhere in the middle of the country probably. I'd say California, Cupertino. Cool, there are some very expensive houses around here, apparently. Surprise, surprise. Let's just take this one right here. All right, and then we're going to go to our design studio, put in the address. As you can see, it automatically finds it. We're going to visualize that in 3D using Google's 3D Meta House. As you can see, it finds the house. It captures the front view of the house, and it gets the back view of the house there automatically as well. Now what's it doing right now is detecting the boundaries for the house itself. It's got the front view here, the back view here, and also the street view here. As you can see, it doesn't do a terribly good job yet for the boundary detection, so we're going to go ahead and make a manual adjustment here. So I'm going to change these little yellow dots so it captures the entire yard so we know what we're designing for. I'm going to try to overlay that on the property line as much as possible, and then I'm going to choose this side as the front of the house so it knows that this is the front, and that's where the driveway is and everything. I'm going to save that boundary and hit done. Now we're going to go to our design section and we're going to pick a couple of design options. We're going to leave a Mediterranean as is. We're going to say front garden, long area, outdoor lining. In the back, we're going to get a patio and a pergola, and how about a fire pit as well? We can put in some additional instructions as needed, but I'm not going to do it right now. We're going to go ahead and hit generate. This will take about 3 minutes. As you can see, it finds some of the property details in terms of zoning and where the street is. We have this log here open that tells you what the system is cooking in the back end using Gemini 3.1. Actually going to go ahead and hit that. As you can see that we have the 2D landscape line created for the house. You see the driveway, you see the house, you see trees in the back and the pergola and the patio that's being proposed, and their sizes and the rendering for the 3D uplink views we're having right now. Now, we have the 3D uplink view is also generated as well. You can see that the front view is essentially coming from the property over here. As I zoom in here, you can see that it's using this as a reference image together with the already created 2D landscape design in terms of what needs to go where in the front view, and this is what you generated. Similarly, for the back view, it's got the pergola, it's got the patio, it's got the fire pit as we indicated in our 2D design here up top. And then ask the designer or the general contractor. Now let me show you the 8-second construction montage of this beautiful Yarda.